Today's video is taking place in space, all thanks to the Vision Pro app Astronoma. Astronoma is a way to check out stunning, officially taken space images, learn more about planets with well-written explanations, and explore these highly detailed 3D telescopes and planets, all in virtual reality. There are 3 3D environments that you can explore everything in, like Saturn, Mars, and the blue one that I refuse to say the name of. It's really awesome to look around and see the dark expanse of space through the headset's OLED displays. In this app, there are dozens of spacecrafts and planets that you can choose from and see a high-quality 3D model of. I love being able to get close and see the detail of the models, like the Hubble Space Telescope. What's cool is that the reflections of these models change based on your environment to make it look like it's actually there. There's also descriptions for each of them that let you learn more about the history, and these beautiful images for you to zoom into. Speaking of the images, there's a tab that lets you scroll through all of the beautiful ones. I personally like having them large like this. My favorite feature of all though is the audio explanations that let you learn more about space while appreciating the view. Overall, I think Astronoma is a great app that makes you really love space and how beautiful it is. Anyways nerds, that's the end of the video, but make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.